Do you feel tired, exhausted, or run down during the day? Do you snore or have sleep apnea? Do you find it difficult to get a good night's rest? If you said yes to any of these, you should know that these are all symptoms of a restricted airway that can be significantly improved or even resolved by your dentist with a dental sleep appliance or Invisalign. A dental sleep appliance can be worn like a mouthguard while you sleep, keeping your jaw correctly aligned. This reduces snoring and makes breathing and sleeping effortless. In many cases, your dentist can use Invisalign to create more space for you to breathe while sleeping. And the bonus is a beautiful, perfectly aligned smile. Schedule a free snoring and sleep apnea consultation today and start getting a great night's sleep tonight.
Hillsborough Dental Excellence, where everyone leaves with a smile.